Alright y'all, today is our last day. Just wanted to show you guys that I'm vlogging off of my phone again. But look at how burnt my face is. But it's been a really cool trip just because we've been bonding. All the girls have been bonding. This is the bathroom area, by the way. And we haven't left our hotel or like this resort area. It's not very resorty, very much, or actually at all. We haven't worn makeup, we haven't worn shoes. We've been wearing like the same chill clothes the whole time. It's been amazing. But before I talk your ear off, we're gonna go to our last breakfast here. I don't know why I gave myself an accent. I don't need an accent, and it's the wrong accent at that. So waiting for Tiff, and we're gonna go eat. Gonna miss this beautiful view from our hut, and then washing my feet in that water, and then not wearing any shoes like I mentioned. This is gonna, but I love this experience so much. Oh, there's Tiff. Look how cute she looks. I love this experience so much that I'm already ready to plan my next romantic getaway with Bart at this exact location because it's just perfect.
You left it right in the middle.
Here's Jess and Nikki's room. 7 to go stalk them. Oh, they're there right now.
Paparazzi, please.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, we're gonna go eat.
Why are you so late?
Because we like to sleep, baby.
Are you guys all packed?
Yep.
Oh.
Oh, so are you.
I mean, I'm pretty packed. Yeah.
Oh, okay. See you in a bit.
Okay. Have fun.
Thank you. This is where we eat breakfast. Check this out.
Si quieres, pueden tomar esas dos.
Ooh, that looks great. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So here's the breakfast. These are bomb. This is bomb. Alright, so here's the healthy beefist. Some oatmeal, fruits, some eggs with some potatoes, croissant. Okay, these two things, these three right here are not that healthy, alright? Don't judge me. And the vegetables. Oh, vegetables. This hotel's been pretty dope just because everything's been super healthy. That since on vacation, I'm like, fuck it, vacation time. Woo! And I take off my shirt and stuff and go wild and eat a bunch of shit. But because it's so chill, and you're so connected and grounded with like nature, everything's super healthy here. That's why we've been swimming, which is exercising. We've been bonding, which is really good for the soul. We did like a sound bath yesterday. We've been eating super healthy and organic. And what else? We're wearing no makeup and sun tanning and stuff. Like, we're gonna come bad bitches. Look at them, they already look so good. We have met up with Jess.
Hola.
Look how cute she looks.
Oh, yeah.
And Nikki, look at how cute Nikki looks.
Yeah, a little bit. I
You
like
guys
your
are.
outfit better, though.
We're gonna go check out some wind chimes now. Vamonos. Check it out, and then Tiff's vlogging it too, so you can see it on our channel. Ooh, look at that. Here we go. This is cool. This is so awesome. Nikki says she's a musician. Whoa. This is where I took that picture that I posted on my Instagram.
So we got to see all this in the dark. What? This is so cool.
Whoa! Fuck, I got stuck with my big old backpack. Since we're checking out, I have my backpack on. And I was trying to go through this tree here. And I got stuck. But yeah, this is so cool. Let's try to go around. Ooh. What's that on that side? Right? Look how pretty this is. That's really pretty. I wonder who else was here because they left something that belongs to them. What? Yes. Julia left her hair clip.
Oh, so funny.
Are you wearing a jacket?
I am because I couldn't fit it in my luggage, so I just wear it. I'm wearing it. It's a little warm. Thank you. Can you just imagine that was like the last thing you'll ever see of me and you'll never see me again?
What?
You know, it's just like the memento.
Is she writing a suicide note? What is happening?
Oh, what happened? Oh my god. I love working.
I'm shook. I still want to play these stuff.
All right, we took our last growth pig, and that was the guy that took our luggages to our car. And yeah, we're leaving now. We're heading out. Here is Tulum in the daytime, because when we first arrived 2 vlogs ago, check those out. It was all black. It was all black, but I mean, not that I can see much else in the daytime anyway. Everything's all boarded up. And the parking is crazy because there's no parking and there's so much construction. Like, look, what are you building? What is going on? And then he's holding up his windshield with duct tape.
Damn.
That's amazing. So resourceful, dude. Okay, pero like, come on, stupid ass. Thank you. All right, so we actually got out of our car and we're walking around in Tulum. And we're trying to find some food and some shopping because they have so many cute things here. And
Check it out.
check it out, yeah. I'm excited to show you guys because I've never seen it either. Yeah, so Tulum is like this little beach town, and each like space is a new like little resort. So obviously it's very touristy, but everything is like no parking anywhere, very narrow. Everyone rides around in bikes. So we found something. Look at this. There's Wi-Fi here. This is pretty cool. There's a cafe. Boutique. Restaurant. It's still closed. What else they got in here? It's very nice. All right, so the pursuit of food still continues. We didn't find anything there. As you guys saw, there was just like a cafe and a couple shops that weren't even open. So we are back to looking for somewhere to eat. But it's really cool that I know Spanish, and this is so interesting because growing up I hated the fact that I knew Spanish and I wanted to hide that I knew Spanish from the world. I'm talking about like when I was like in middle school, maybe even in high school. And now I'm so proud to be a Mexican and to know Spanish and to be bilingual and to be bicultural, that I love it and I'm embracing it now, finally. But I'll show you guys where we eat. Cool, so I think we found a spot. Here it is. This is where we're eating. Outdoors. Whoa, this does not look very comfortable, but it looks very cute. So, and then they said they had like a rooftop place. I don't know. I just love how they utilize nature out here. I mean, it could all be touristy, right? But, I mean, at least the facade is cool. Yeah, this is very beautiful. Alright, so I'm sitting in the most uncomfortable chair ever. I need to show you guys what the fuck is going on down here. Okay, so before I even say that, this is what it is, okay? And the bottom part looks the same. And initially I thought that I bought the wrong size underwear or thong to be specific, because I'm like, damn it, like it's kind of hurting, it's spreading my butt cheeks and it's going in there really badly. But look.
I know your pain because that's what happened to me.
Oh my god, I didn't think it was that bad until I saw it. Oh shit. We came, we saw, and we conquered. I also conquered too because I put the pillow. It ain't going up my ass no more. Look at that little buddy. Hi, dude. Hi, little iguana. Where are you, dude? There he goes. Let's hope he comes this way because I don't want him to get smashed. Where's he going? Where are you going, dude? They said don't be afraid of it, so. All right, so we've made it to the airport safe and sound. We haven't gone through TSA yet, so I think it'll be fine. We don't have anything we need to be afraid about, but this place is nice. Just made it past TSA, piece of cake, and now we are, not we, Nikki and Tiff are taking tequila shots because they want to see if they want to buy it. Taking some shots?
Oh yeah, you missed it.
No, you're good, you're good.
Bailey's.
You guys want more? Yeah, let's try some other cool shit.
One sample or one bottle?
For samples, bottles, I think I'm done. My girlfriend's gonna kick my ass. What up, you recording me?
No.
You wanna see some titties?
Damn.
That's gonna cost you, man.
He's had a lot of tequila.
Hey, but you already showed it to me, so I don't have to pay.
Where are you girls from? Okay, I'll take one more of these. I don't want more of the good ones. Okay.
I love your job. She's got the best job. Just
One for her too.
Oh, no, I already got it.
Cheers.
Salud.
Salud.
Don't drink too much. This is what's gonna happen to you in Mexico. I got my girlfriend beat me up.
Oh shit. Where is
Let me
she?
see what happened. Let me see your hand.
Okay, well,
I don't know who that guy was. He was an interesting character. I don't really like, I let the girls talk to him because they were just talking to him. Not in any sort of way or whatever, but I'm just like, I'm gonna be over here. He's a little too rowdy for my blood. I'm a big time introvert who likes to be by myself and look at candies. Candies. This is my aisle, baby. Where's the more candies at? Where's the more candy at? Ooh, these are cool. Look at that. Coconuts? You want some Cancun coconuts? How much is it? Wait, oh, $7, not down. This is when you know you have a problem. Sorry if you smoke out there, but bro, smoking kills. And it's huge, it's like labeled on the box. I should have grabbed it earlier so you could see how big this box is. But there's still people that are like, yeah, I'm down. That's crazy. Like, don't do that. That's bad for you. Look at this papel picado. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's like a Christmas tree, but not really. I love it. These are so cute.
Yeah.
What are they?
I think they're little bells.
Oh.
Ornaments? I don't know.
They're really cute.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, we're almost home. We are on a bus. bus to take us to our plane. To the plane. And there's a bunch of fumes. So it smells like shit. Okay, she's the only one doing it because no one else cares. Oh yeah.
I got your back.
Thank you. Oh yeah. There you go. Here we go. What the hell am I sitting next to? It was stiff, but she has a hoodie and a face mask on. Look at this shit. She ain't seeing shit. I'm a stalker and I stalk all my friends. They don't know I'm filming them and this is kinda creepy. I'm a stalker and I stalk all my friends. They don't know they're on my video. Oh shit, I got caught. Oh no, I got caught. We are back home. She said this home. She said this song bumps. I don't hear it.
Well, you know. Too white.
I'm too white. But yes, baby, we back home. We back home. Oh yeah, we made it. This was a successful trip to Mexico with the girls when we were all kind of shitting it because we're like, oh my god, we don't have any guys. What if something happens in Mexico? How are we gonna do? And that's what we sounded like. But inside, because on the outside we were like, we got this. This is gonna be fun. Yeah, we chilling. But inside we're like, but we made it. We proved to ourselves we could do it. We did it. It's not over yet. No, we're back home. Thank you, Julia, for taking me home.
Yeah, no problem. Just gonna pull up the code.
She's such a mom. All this shit's all fogged up. And just like that, guys, I'm back home. Back home. Gonna go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow.